Philip Aroko uria rugamite aleta mundu kiumbe githurano-ini kinini gia gicigo kia umbunge gia KASPUL kaunti-ini ya HOMABAY hamwe na Boyd Were wa kiama kia ODM uria onake uranyotera giturwa kiu mari ndurumeni-ini cia kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC thutha wa ngahiha gutumuka mithabara-ini yao ya KAMBIINI tariki 3 mweri-ini uyu na gucungiriria ikuo cia andu eri na uthukangia wa indo. Kurumirira ngahiha ici ya IEBC kugerera kamiti ya kuramata mitugo ya ateti iria iri rungu rwa kamishina Alutalala Muhwana ikoretwo igitabanio uthuthuria wayo na kamiti ino ikiheana murugamo wayo yugite ati kuri na uira wa kuigana kuonania ati area ya NIMARI na ITEMI manyitire hari githagathago giki.
The candidates failed to cooperate and failed to liaise in good faith with each other to avoid organizing public meetings, demonstrations, rallies, or marches to take place at the same time, and venue as similar political events organized by other parties.
Hamwe na uguo, area ya nimerikanite ati matiarumirire mutaratara uria wagathikitwo wa kuria mabatie gukorwo makihura KAMBIINI muthenya ucio amu mithabara yao yeri yakoranire itura-ini ria Opondo mugaru na kuria mabatie gukorwo makihura KAMBIINI. Murugamiriri munene wa ithurano mwena ucio akiuga ati ona nimerigite guikia ihoya ria gucenjerio mutaratara wa KAMBIINI.
It is not in doubt that some of the candidates may have the intention to amend their campaign schedules. It is, however, important to note that not all of them turned up to a security meeting which the returning officer had convened earlier and where the issue of amendment of campaign schedules was discussed, but the returning officer gave a firm no because not all candidates were present and therefore no amendment to the schedule could have been effected.
Gukiri uguo area ya nimathitwo marehe faini ya ciringi mirioni 1 ro mundu gukinyeria muthi wa gatano kiumia giki guku magiathwo kurumirira mitaratara yothe iria igathikitwo ni IEBC ya kuhura KAMBIINI hatari na kuiga miturire ya andu gwatini.
We are clear in our mind that KASPUL has bled, but it has to stop. It is time.
Hindi ya gikaro kiu area ya nimetekirire kurumirira mawatho maria magathikitwo no kamiti iyo yugite ati angikorwo ni makuhuthiriria mawatho maya na marekererie ngahiha cithie na mbere na kwiyumiria gatagata-ini ka arumiriri ao mari ugwati-ini wa kweherio kihitahitano-ini kiu.
I've signed the political decency and peace charter for political candidates, but it doesn't mean that I'm guilty.
I've signed this document bearing in mind that if I do anything that is opposite, the circumstances that will follow may not be favoring.
Should any violation of the electoral code be repeated by any of them, this committee will consider all penalties under the law, including, with emphasis, their disqualification.
Ningi kamiti ino ni irutite mukana muhiu kuri ahuraniri a iturwa itiganite thiini wa ithurano nini iria cibangiirwo kana ga kiumia giukite. Kamiti ino ikiuga ati gutire muteti ukuheo kanya ga guthagathagia muingi kana aruti wira a IEBC.
Mola wajalie.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wangũnjiri.